With this new real estate law that so many agents are complaining about, there are new opportunities coming to us, not only us, but also our clients. Let me explain. So today I had a situation that the listing agent of one of the homes that I made an offer with my clients on last week, it was a severe, fierce bidding war. He just called me and told me that our offer got accepted. Thanks God, we've been making offers, offer after offer after offer, and the situation in New Jersey for buyers is so bad we couldn't get the house. So finally we did a strategic move. I will tell you about it later, but what I want to tell you is this. In this situation, I'm representing buyers, and I signed a buyer's agency agreement with my clients, telling them that I charge this and this percentage, right? Meanwhile, the sellers of the property that we made an offer on, they were offering a little bit less. And I'm like, no, I'm bringing you such a beautiful offer, amazing clients. I know they're going to close for sure. I want my commission that I put in my original document agreement between me and my buyers. Number one, I don't want them to pay extra on top of already overpaying for the house. I want the sellers to pay for it. So I called the listing agent before and I'm like, listen, our offer is this and this and this. However, I want the sellers to cover my full commission. And he was like, no, but they're only offering this amount. I'm like, listen, everything in life is negotiable. Just present it and tell them, because I'm bringing such great clients and they're getting an amazing offer. I bet you nobody else is going to offer that much for this house. They have to pay my commission. And I mean, I was thinking that what's the worst case scenario? They're going to say no. Not only did they accept my commission, but they also, when they looked at my commission on the paper, they said to their own listing agent, you know what? She is getting that much. We are going to give you that much too. And he was shocked. I know what you're going to ask me next. How did it benefit my clients? Well, I signed a buyer's agency agreement with my buyer clients, asking them for a real estate commission that I charge. Then if the seller does not provide the whole commission, who is going to be responsible for paying the difference between the buyer requested commission and the seller offering commission? The buyer is responsible for paying the difference. So by asking the sellers to cover the difference, to bring the amount to my full commission, I'm saving my clients, my own buyers, a few $1,000s. And I really didn't have to do it, but I wanted to save the money because they are already overpaying for the house. So that's how I saved my clients money, a lot of money, by being bold and requesting the sellers to cover my full commission. So that's how having a great negotiator who is not afraid to ask is a good thing.